A carbon monoxide catalyst is a novel process material that absorbs and decomposes carbon monoxide. It has a significant impact on the environment and human health. It converts carbon monoxide into harmless substances such as carbon dioxide and water. In automobile exhaust systems, carbon monoxide catalysts can effectively reduce the emission of harmful substances in exhaust gases. In industrial waste gas treatment processes, carbon monoxide catalysts can convert carbon monoxide in furnace gases into harmless substances, reducing the level of pollution. They play a vital role in the industrial sector. Carbon monoxide catalysts are also widely used in fuel cells and other applications, promoting electrochemical reactions and improving fuel cell performance.